Everyone's calling for liftoff, but what if the rocket fails? Here are the top 5 scenarios of Bitcoin falling to its lowest lows. Scenario 1, macro panic followed by a 50% price fall. When global recession fears flare up, triggered by war escalation, inflation spikes or black swan events, Bitcoin, despite being decentralized, gets treated like a risky asset. Institutions and retail dump crypto to preserve cash. A 50% drop wouldn't be unprecedented here, especially if it catches over-leveraged longs. Historical similarity, COVID crash in March 2020 by approximately 50%. Scenario 2, regulatory crackdown followed by a 60% price fall. Imagine the SEC banning all crypto-related on-ramps and other countries following suit. If Binance or Coinbase were to be legally frozen from operating for retail, panic would ensue. Smart money exits, retail gets locked out, and the network effect collapses. The trust damage could be brutal, and 60% plus drawdowns are reasonable here. Historical similarity, China's blanket bans, multiple years, Ripple SEC lawsuit flash dips. Scenario 3, ETF pullout followed by a 30% price fall. Spot ETFs brought massive hope, but if inflows dry up or major institutions suddenly reverse due to yield elsewhere or policy shifts, we'd see a deep but not catastrophic correction. This would likely hurt sentiment short term, but structure would still be in place. Current trigger watch, Fed keeping rates high, plus global risk-off sentiment equals ETF exit fear. Scenario 4, DeFi contagion followed by a 45% price fall. Think of another Luna UST or FTX moment. If a major stablecoin depegs or a large lending protocol implodes, dominoes fall. Retail loses trust, major holders flee to safety, and centralization FUD takes over. A sharp 40-50% crash would be realistic. Historical similarity, Terra Luna crash wiped $60 billion from market. Scenario 5, technical breakdown followed by a 20% price fall. When BTC breaks a key technical support level, like 200-week MA or 25k psychological line, it often causes panic selling or stop-loss cascades. It's less of a long-term panic, more of a shakeout for over-leveraged players. Typical result, 15-25% quick dumps followed by short-term recovery if no macro threat. So there you have it, 5 scenarios, 5 potential dominoes that could send Bitcoin tumbling. But here's the thing, the market isn't just moved by logic, it's moved by emotion, reflex, and momentum. Stay sharp, stay skeptical. And remember, survival in crypto is often about staying one step ahead of the crowd. If this gave you something to think about, hit that like button, share it with someone in the trenches, and subscribe for more fast takes like this before the next candle breaks.